Today I have come here again for a very hot topic, causes for the more than one marriage or marital discord. So let us discuss what are the reasons. Uh, the reason maybe one is that spouse is died, spouse quarrels or want to separate. Sexual reasons, demand of dowry, extramarital affairs. If only female children are born in the family, then also husband says that I want to get second marriage. Professional commitments do not allow to stay together, as in case of nowadays in corporate sectors, that for example husband is working in a morning shift and wife is working in night shift. NRI problems, medical ground, that one of the husband or wife, one of them having some medical problem, and criminal background, it is also reason. Now economical independence is also a reason for this. Unwilling to stay with the in-laws is also a very big problem nowadays. Decline of moral values, breakdown of family values is again a reason. Social acceptance of divorce. Nowadays, divorce is easily accepted in our society, so they immediately decide, so let us get separate and take a divorce. Who will look after the children is also a very burning topic nowadays. Husband says that you are a wife, so you have to look after the children, but she says, no, I am also working, so either you one day you will take rest and one day I will take rest from the office. Professional commitments creates a problem. These are some problem nowadays people feeling. Now, what are the general reasons? One is physical reason, that there is a age difference between spouse. Debility, incurable disease in spouse. Second is emotional reasons, premarital involvement, look of attention, that one of them is very handsome or beautiful. Third reason is extramarital involvements. Social family reasons are there. Mother-in-law, that it's a very normal nowadays. In every second or third family, you will see that mother-in-law is they used to say that mother-in-law is creating a problem and I don't want to stay with your parents. Financial reasons hai, and other reasons also there. Now what to do? This is a promise in the horoscope that you have to live like this. But sometimes remedies work, mantras work. मुझे याद है, बहुत पुरानी बात हो गई, राव सर के पास, गुरुदेव के पास एक लेडी आया करती थी और सडनली उसने आना बंद कर दिया. काफ़ी समय बाद आई वो. तो गुरुदेव ने उससे पूछा, बहुत समय बाद आई, कहाँ रही? तो उस लेडी ने बताया कि सर मैं वो एक मेहंदीपुर बालाजी गई थी और वहाँ जाके मैंने अपने पति के साथ वरमाला की अदला बदली की और वहाँ मैंने यह वर मांगा कि भगवान, मैं जन्म जन्म तक अपने इसी पति के साथ रहना चाहती हूँ, तो इसे मुझे मेरी यह इच्छा पूरी करो. तो सर काफ़ी समय बीत गया, उसके बाद से हम दोनों अपने हस्बैंड वाइफ बहुत हैप्पीली मैरिड लाइफ अपनी रह रहे हैं. ऐसे ही वृंदावन में एक कात्यायनी देवी मंदिर है. गुरुदेव के साथ हम बहुत बार गए वहाँ पे कात्यायनी मंदिर में. कात्यायनी मंदिर में कात्यायनी देवी की मूर्ति है, जहाँ वहाँ बाहर एक छोटा सा एक स्थान बना हुआ है, उसमें एक छोटे से गणेश जी की मूर्ति है. गणेश जी की मूर्ति के दर्शन करने से अगर वैवाहिक जीवन किसी का खराब हो रहा हो तो वह ठीक हो जाता है. अक्सर हमें गुरुदेव वहाँ लेकर जाया करते थे और ये बातें हमें बताया करते थे। कहते हैं वहाँ पर कभी उस भूमि पर गोपियों ने भी वर मांगा था कि जैसे कृष्ण भगवान के साथ हमारा प्रेम बना रहे, ऐसे ही जो वृंदावन आएगा और इस स्थल पर आएगा उसका भी वैवाहिक जीवन जो है वो है खुश रहेगा। थैंक यू।